So with that forecast, one local city is turning to technology to let residents know in real time which roads have been plowed. I went to Webster Groves to see how this unique system works. Mother Nature has already dropped fresh powder on the bi-state, and the December 1st snow event is still fresh in the minds of many.
I abandoned my car on the side of the road, and my husband had to come get me.
Clearing treacherous roads more efficiently is the focus of the Webster Groves Public Works Department. The city is now using a system called FleetPaths to improve its snow operations and better communicate with residents. Why did the city make this move to roll out this technology?
This is for information to our residents that we would otherwise be fielding a lot of phone calls during the snow ice control services, as well as our performance effectiveness within our department to make sure that we are serving these areas, the different zones around our city with the best efficiency as possible.
Webster Groves Public Works Director Sinan Alpaslan says GPS sensors have been added to all 14 of the city's trucks. These trucks have already been really active this winter, clearing the 94 miles of road in Webster Groves. And every time one of the plows is down, the GPS system activates.
When this truck arrives to its zone where it's going to start its work, when the plow is lowered onto the pavement, then this truck's progress from that point on will be tracked in our system so that we will show that this truck is making progress.
As the sensors track the plow's work, this is what the public will see when they access the system. A map showing which streets in Webster Groves have been plowed and when. Is that showing up, minutes after it's done, or
yes.
how? So it's quick.
Quick.
Is that something you think you would look at?
Absolutely, especially after the last snowstorm we had, and it took me 5 hours to get home, and I didn't know which way to go. It would be very helpful to know which roads were getting worked on before the other ones to make a better decision. Absolutely.
This system is different than MoDOT's road condition map, which doesn't show which roads have been plowed or where their crews are. Chelsea Calvert hopes this tech is adopted by other cities in the region.
Everybody wants to know how the roads are doing, and if we had a real-time decision on where that's going, then yeah, we would be able to make safer decisions on where we needed to go.
Webster Groves officials say they have signed on with FleetPaths for 1 year.